Hey, what's up everyone? So today we are on our last topic for the first quarter and we are now on week number 8. Our topic is solutions of systems of linear equations in two variables. So here we go. Okay, so we started off by learning about linear equations. Then after that, we've learned about systems of linear equations. So when we refer to systems, we are now talking about a pair of linear equations. So dalawa na yung equations at kapag graph natin siya, dalawa na rin yung lines. Okay? So clear na tayo dun because for this week, we are going to discuss how to find the solutions of these systems. Okay? So, review lang natin. Kung maalala nyo itong picture na to, last week. Okay? So, on the first graph, we have two lines, diba? They formed intersecting lines. Or sometimes, these intersecting lines can also form perpendicular lines if they formed right angles. Yan. So, kapag ganito yung nakita nyo, it means meron siyang one solution. Okay? Nag-meet sila sa isang point. Okay? So, meron silang common point. Yung ordered pair niya, yung value ng x at yung value ng y, pareho siyang tama doon sa parehong equation. Okay? So, yung x and y value, it solves both the given linear equations. Okay? Kaya, yun yung solution nila. Yun yung solution ng system. At isa lang siya. Kasi isang beses lang siya mag-meet. Okay? On the second graph, mapapansin nyo, ito yun, di ba? Yung tinatawag nating parallel lines. Okay, review lang to Okay. So, kapag parallel lines, they will never meet. No? Kahit na-extend natin siya, hindi sila magkikita. So, if that is the case, of course, we have no solution. And dito naman sa ating last graph, ito ulit yung case kung saan nakala natin isa lang yung line, but actually there are two. So, dalawa yung equations natin, pero nung siya ay ating ginraph, okay, they formed identical line. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng points nila common. Okay, ang tawag nga pala dyan, coinciding lines or coincident lines. Okay? So, pag ganyan, infinitely many solutions. Kasi lahat nga nung points, 'di ba, along that line, lahat 'yon solution niya, solution of the system. Okay? Kasi lahat ng points na 'yon ay common sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? So, ito naman ngayon, for this week, we will proceed with the discussion of finding the solution. Okay? Ayan. So, meron tayong 3 methods. So, let's discuss the first one. Okay, find the solution of a system of equations by graphing. Ito yung pinakamadali. Kasi all we have to do is plot the points and check saan ba sila nag-meet. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, this is the example that makikita natin doon sa ating module. So, we have negative 2x plus y is equals to 2. And syempre, dahil nga system of equation, so dapat dalawa yung ating equation. The other equation is negative x plus y is equals to negative 1. Okay. So, para makapag-plot tayo ng points, let us change these equations to the slope-intercept form. Diba? Yun yung y is equals to mx plus b. Okay, gawin natin yun. So, for the first equation, iwan natin si y sa left side. Okay? So, si negative 2x, atin siyang ilipat sa right side. At kapag ginawa natin yun, we will change the sign. So, negative 2x will now become positive 2x. Tapos, ni-rearrange lang natin siya para maging katulad siya ng ating format na y is equals to mx plus b. So, the original equation number 1 is now y is equal to 2x plus 2. Okay? Okay, from this point, malalaman na natin kung ano yung ating slope and y-intercept. Yung slope natin, or same as m, is equals to 2. Okay? Kasi, di ba? Yan. Ito po, ito yung ating m, di ba? And ang ating b, or ang ating y-intercept, is positive 2. Yan. Punta naman tayo sa other side. So, again, hindi pa siya nakaayos. Let us change this or rewrite this to the slope-intercept form. So, iwan natin ulit si y sa left side. Ilipat natin si negative x sa right side. So, negative x will become positive x. And then, unahin lang natin siya, no? Before negative 1. Okay. So, from this, ma-derive natin na ang ating m ay is equal to 1. Okay, dito nakuha yung 1, di ba? So, may nakatagong 1 dito. Yan. And then, ang ating b or ang ating y-intercept is this one, which is negative 1. Okay, it's time to plot the points. Doon muna tayo sa first equation. Start tayo dun sa ating y-intercept. So, pag kaya nga siya y-intercept, it can be found sa ating y-axis. Okay, so positive 2, so nandun tayo sa taas. Yan. Okay, so mula dun sa positive 2, okay, tignan naman natin ating slope. Ang slope natin is positive 2. Okay, if we're going to rewrite this into a fraction, yan ay 2 over 1. Okay, yung 2 that will serve as our rise. Ibig sabihin, akyat tayo. Positive eh. Dalawang movement. 1, 2. Nandito tayo. And then, run yung ating 1. So, takbo daw tayo, no? It's either left or right. Dahil positive siya, takbo tayo sa kanan. Ayun. So, ayun. Hindi ko na-click. So, 0, 2 yung ating y-intercept. So, ayun. Ayun yung point ng ating yung second point natin na nakuha natin from our slope. So, let us connect the 2 points. Ayan. This is the line for our equation number 1. Okay, ito naman, equation number 2. So, our b is negative 1. So, along the y-axis, negative 1 siya. So, ang point natin is right over there. Okay, and then our m is positive 1. So, when we write this in fraction form, it's simply 1 over 1. 1 yung ating rise. So, akyat tayo ng isa. Positive kasi, no? Akyat tayo ng isa. And then, ang run natin, takbo tayo papunta sa right kasi positive siya. Okay? Ay, teka, hindi ko na naman na-click yung ating point. Yung ating y-intercept is 0, negative 1. And then, yung ating second point na nakuha natin from our slope, ayan, ayun siya. And then, of course, let us connect the 2 points to form the line. Okay, so, we have 2 equations, and now, meron tayong 2 lines. Okay? Ayan. So, saan sila nagkita? Okay, let's put the point, ayan, the marker here. Ayan, dun sila nagkita. So, tingnan natin, no? Di ba, ang ating ordered pair? Tingin muna tayo sa x. So, ang x is negative 3. Nakatapat siya sa negative 3. And then, let's look at y. Nakatapat siya sa negative 4. So, our solution is negative 3, negative 4. Yan yung ating ordered pair for that specific point. Okay? So, ayan po. Yun ang ating steps to find a solution of a system of equations by using graphing. Let's proceed to the second method. The second method is substitution. Okay? Okay. So, ilabas muna natin ang dalawang equation. We have equation number 1 and we have equation number 2. Okay? So, eto sundan nyo ako step-by-step procedure. Okay. Ang una natin gagawin, let us solve for one of the equations. Solve for one of the variables. Okay? So, ito pinili ko, yung equation number 2. Pwedeng equation number 1 ang gamitin, pwedeng equation number 2. Kasi, mas simple itong equation number 2. So, let's use this one. Let us solve for one of the variables. So, pinili ko si y kasi positive na siya. Madali na, di ba? So, in order to solve for y, isolate natin si y. So, when we isolate y, may iwan siya dito sa left. And then, lipat natin si negative x, lipat natin sa right side. So, magiging positive x na siya. And then, right lang natin ulit si negative 1. Ayan. So, now, this equation, diba, y is equals to x minus 1. May value tayo ng y. We are going, diba nga, ang method natin is substitution. Substitute natin si y, which is x minus 1. Substitute natin siya dito sa equation number 1. Okay? So, yan. Ito, diba, ito yung y. Pinalitan lang natin siya nitong x minus 1. So, y, naging x minus 1. Nag-substitute tayo. So, ngayon, napansin nyo, aba, isa na lang yung ating variable dito sa equation na to. We can now solve for x. Okay? Paano gagawin yon? Una, syempre, ayusin muna natin yung ating equation. Alisin natin yung parentheses, diba? Distribute natin yung positive, positive times positive, positive pa rin. Positive times negative, we have negative. Ayan. So, lahat ng x, i-combine. Nang merong x pala, i-combine. So, negative 2x plus x, ito. Ayan. I-combine natin siya. That will give us negative x. Tapos, si negative 1, lipat natin sa kabila. Dito, sa ating right side. So, 2, magiging plus 1 na. Okay, nag-change sign tayo kasi lumipat tayo ng other side of the equal sign. Okay, so ayan. Negative x is equals to 2 plus 1. So, negative x is equals to 3. Okay, pero sabi natin, diba, x lang. We are solving for x, so alisin din natin itong negative. To remove the negative, let's divide both sides by negative 1. Yan, negative 1. So, yan, makakancel na yung negative. May iwan na lang si x. So, 3 divided by negative 1, we have x is equals to negative 3. Ayan na po. Meron na tayong exact value for x. So, kailangan na lang natin isolve si y. O, di ba meron na tayo nito? Y is equals to x minus 1. Let us substitute again. So, yung value na nakuha natin na x is equals to negative 3, let us substitute that to our equation number 2. So, pinalitan lang natin ng negative 3 yung x. So, pinalitan natin siya ng negative 3. So, y is equal to negative 3 minus 1. So, dalawang negative, combine lang natin siya. We have y is equal to negative 4. Ayan na po. Meron na tayong value ng x. Meron na tayong value ng y. So, our ordered pair is negative 3, negative 4. Yan din po ang ating solution to this system. Yung system nitong dalawang equation na ito. Okay? So, ayan. So, this will serve as our introduction. So, for now, na-discuss natin yung first two methods, which is graphing and substitution. So, next, sa part 2 ng ating video, we will discuss the third method at also magbibigay tayo ng example ng real-life scenarios kung saan pwede nating i-apply itong mga natutunan natin. Okay? So, mag-solve tayo ng mga problems, word problems. Okay? So, for now, thank you for watching and keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye!